Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove channels from WhatsApp, and here is how it is done. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Updates tab. This is where you can see all the recent updates and channels. Now scroll down the screen until you reach the Channels section. In this section, you'll see a list of all the channels that you are currently following. Take your time to look through the list and find a specific channel that you want to remove from your follow list. Tap on the channel that you want to remove. Once you are inside the channel, look for the three dots menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the list, choose and follow. After you select and follow, a message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to stop following this channel. If you are sure, simply tap and follow again to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully unfollowed the channel. If you want to remove any old posts from the channel, follow the steps. Go back to the Updates tab, find any post from the channel that you want to delete. Press and hold long press on that post. A menu will appear. Select Delete to remove it from your feed. This will clear the selected post from your updates. And that is everything you need to know about how to remove channels from WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.